all the way to inside the mall. Yes. Now above the mall, we also have another floor for the amenities. This is for residential. Public people are not able to access this part. Yeah. So the amenities that we have two big area, outdoor and indoor games area. We also have indoor games such like pool table and table tennis. Then this other side here, we have two swimming pools. One outdoor and another one that is indoor. There is also studio swimming. This area will have co-working space, stroke reading lounge. If you're working from home, you have a space here. Then here we have a cinema. We have a conference room where people can host parties, birthdays. We also have a kitchen. You can do outside kitchen. Then here at this corner we have a yoga studio and a very big gym, fully equipped, 400 square meters. And our garden is very, very big garden with a jogging track. We are sitting squat around. So this area is continuing.
How many residents do you plan to have?
Yeah, it is this one here. The total units are 352 units.
300.
Yeah. So this is the road. Right now we are standing here. This is where we are.
Oh yeah.
3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and at the back we also have the 4 bedrooms.
How many more 2 bedrooms you have now?
2 bedrooms we have 3 units.
And then what about the 3 units? 3 bedroom, how many units you have there?
That's what we have a lot. We have 8 of them.
But the 2 bedroom and the 1 bedroom is how much?
Yeah. Here we go.
Just 2.
3 and 4.
So units, 2 bedrooms worth.
From the one that is available now is from 19.17, that is about $158,000 USD. And then we also have another one from 14.39. That's about 110,000. Then for the 3 bedroom we have 2 sizes. We have 155 square meters, which is at the middle, and we have 160 square meters, which is at the corners. And our first floor starts on the 4th floor because of elevated hall and amenities floor. Yes.
When is the completion?
2028 December. So you have 3 years to be able to complete your payment. Yes. And there are 2 units per floor for 3 and 4 bedroom. 2 units per floor and 2 elevators.
So each unit will have their own elevator.
Yes.
Is the pool heated?
Yeah, it is heated. Both are heated. Yeah. So, and the distance from here to here, it is 43 meters. So here you're guaranteed the natural lighting, and you have 2 views. From the bedroom, you have a view of the garden and swimming pool, and all the balconies are facing outside.
Can a client that's renting or that's buying one of these, can they have a storefront also?
Yeah, if you buy with us, you can. We are going to give our client first priority to
have.
So again, in the 4 bedroom, there are also 2 units per floor. So like from here to here, it is 1 unit also on the back side. Yeah. And this is a school. Here you have like a permanent view. Yeah, because there is nothing will ever come to obstruct your view. So the remaining 2 bedroom that I have, here I have like a smaller 3 bedroom, I would say. It's a 2 bedroom plus study, quite spacious.
DSQ?
No, not with a DSQ.
Or just a study room?
Yeah, but it's big enough for a bed. Yeah. So I have that first floor, and I also have 96 square meters here, first and second floor. Yeah. So those are the only units that are available.
Nobody will be on the first floor. Okay.
This is the 4 bedroom. How it is arranged. This is the lift. This lift opens to this lobby, and this space is for you. You are not sharing with your neighbor. Then you come in the middle. There is a shoe rack, storage, dining, lounge, and a balcony here. kitchen is double-sided kitchen, comes fully fitted with a 5-burner, oven, microwave, and the wood extractor. And the sink is double sink. Here you have your laundry area, the DSQ, where the servant quarter can stay. Then you have a corridor to access the bedroom, the first bedroom. Of course, it has its own bathroom. Then the second bedroom, this one here, will be sharing the bathroom with the guest. There is another door inside your bedroom here. And guests will use it from this side. Then the third bedroom, also en suite. And here we have a primary suite with a walk-in closet, a bathtub, shower, and 2 sinks. And of course, we have a balcony here.
So this is 5 bedrooms?
A 4 bedroom.
And a half.
Oh, yes. 3.5, yes.
Yeah, that's the servant quarter.
Oh,
you can
technically
turn that
5
into-
bedrooms, you call it.
That's what they call DSQ.
Then this is our 3 bedroom,
Massive. It does look nice.
155 square meters.
With this, with this penthouse, I just want you to have the low floor. You can have
Lower floors need more noise. Yeah. They go all the way up. Well,
commercial space, you do all like
no, but when you think about it, it's still private if you even have ground floor because it's not really like a lot of people and this is like real residential. And it's so private, so even if you're on the ground floor, you're still nice.
yeah, because I was looking at if you come on the
And this is the one
walls, yeah, she said it. Yeah, it's covered. It starts at the 4th floor. I have one of these, and then I have my own outdoor area.
Yeah, you have your own little out there. Yeah. We can go upstairs to the showroom.
I think they shut down.
Eh?
They shut it down already.
Shut it down? Okay. But on Saturday we'll come back. They have something on Saturday.
Yeah, they tried it on.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Well, you know what I mean? I'd love to.
Try
it too,
option
right? Yeah.
to rent out, or once it's yours, you have to live on it.
No,
I can rent out.
you could Airbnb, you can do whatever you want.
Yeah.
Once it's yours, it's yours. You have a bathroom.
This is a 2-bedroom here.
This is now has been finished.
It's finished, sold
The
out.
last one was booked today.
The last
You know
Yeah.
what? I actually like the layout of this.
I have now 96 square meters and 129.
Right.
Yeah, this one. We have this available on first floor. This is the one that is 148,000 USD dollar.
Sweet bed. Same kind of layout, yes?
Yeah.
Central.
Yeah, from with the Pandora. Yeah, family. So this is the showroom celebration. I think we missed the celebration, African.
We missed the celebration.
That's them burst all of the ball and stuff, yeah. I feel like we missed the celebration, family, but they're here. Yeah, better late than never. Yeah. So a Pandora, this family. It's a Pandora. You know what I mean? So they even have some food on deck. Let me get some food. You see? Then our jam tour is hungry. What kind of juice you have, my brother? Let me have some cocktail. Yeah. Thank you. Hey Valerie, how you doing? This is a Panorama West Place, or it's still Pandora? What do you have here for me today? What do you have? Just these snacks. You guys don't have anything to eat? What do you have to eat? You know, have like food.
Just
Eh? You want coffee? Yeah, man, right there, some coffee. You guys have coffee, right?
You have coffee?
Coffee?
Yeah, hot water.
Yeah, hot water, you just something later. Hey, how you doing?
Yes, left. It's the best left.
Yeah. Yeah, family, with our Pandora. And today the opening of the Showhouse. You see how much big vehicle park up outside, family. You see that? Hi, Jenny. Yeah, family, so as you can see. Yeah. Yeah, family, so African Walk says getting some coffee. Sleep late last night, they want to get some coffee. Yeah, family, so I'm in African Walk here.
Yeah, man.
And how you like it so far?
It's good. You know, the other time we came when it was not open.
Yeah.
So today is open, the showroom.
Yeah, so let's go look at the showroom, family. Showroom.
The TV screen also comes with the house. Then the kitchen.
Yeah, family, so we're in the Showhouse in Pandora. As you can see, guys, we get a long balcony, another balcony over there. So, you know what I mean? Trust me, you're actually coming home to paradise, family, and that's where you want to come home in Africa. Paradise.
All the cabinets, what you see is what you're going to get.
Yeah, family. So one room here. So, are your room this in the youth? Your room this. This would be your room. You like it? Eh? This would be your room, my brother. Your room this. When uncle buy this will be your room. Yeah, family. So it's one of the room for like if you have an adult, so you can put on anything there. You know what I mean? Yeah. Now this one now. It's for maybe an auntie, niece, or nephew. You know what I mean? And then this one now, of the princess in the house. This one is for the princess in the house family. And now for your mama and papa, master bedroom, primary living room and primary room for the king and the queen of the house. The king and queen who buy this house, this is their residence family. You know what I mean? As you can see, bathroom, top notch, with tub and all kind of thing. Them thing I jump through the top about. And I can see this is it's gonna be like a remote family. Let me try and see if I can work it. It's gonna be like a remote where you press. Let she come, she will do it. I don't want to spoil the thing. But this is like a automatic bowl. When you sit down and it lift up. You know what I mean? Then you use your hand. Yeah. Anyway, guys, let's go. Hotel style in Kenya. So I say, wait till you come. So this is the automatically bowl family where how it work.
So, if you want to wash yourself.
Oh, really? You can wash. Ooh, you can wash yourself with it.
Yeah. Yeah, because it flashes itself. It's yet.
Oh, it's not yet fully active. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Maybe it have to have water for it to be activated and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you can see it. So you wash yourself.
Yeah, and also it opens itself when. Let me see.
It open itself.
Does it have voice command?
I'm not sure.
Oh, see later. Yeah, family, these are the automatic bowl. When you come out of the washroom, you feel like it just freshen up. Hands free. Like you say, it's alright, you know what I mean? We know say it's kind of set it up yet, maybe. Yeah, family, but as you can see, guys, you know what I mean? This is more than luxury. In Kenya. If you come to Kenya, I say you want to come live. You don't want to come live. You know what I mean? You want to come live like a king. when you come back in Kenya, because you are a king. Yeah. So this is the showrooms of the kitchen family. Very nice. There's an offer going on now. If you buy a 4-bedroom, you get a fully door fitted fridge like this. This is what you're gonna get, right, Mary?
Yes.
So
When
the offer.
now.
Yeah. Today?
Today up to next week on Friday.
So tell them again.
When you purchase 3 or 4 bedroom, you are going to get a fridge, a double door fridge.
Just like this.
Yeah, from today
From
until
till
next week on date 5 December.
Date 5 of December, so that's when the offer done. All right, so let's go.
I'm genuine, black and beautiful melody. Know from long time the verse of mankind, reserve life like cherubim. All nation bow to the black king and the black queen. Some black dream, such a before as not seen. That's why them wanna kill us with them vaccine. One thing I'm certain, in spite the earth, all of the pain and all of the burden, blackness no fear behind curtain. I'm a real black gold, genuine soul, walking scroll from days of old. Brave and bold, I've never told. Now in the world I lose my soul. Black gold, I'm genuine, black and beautiful melanin. Don't know from long time the first of mankind, preserve life like cherubim. Black gold, I'm genuine, black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the first of mankind, preserve life like cherubim. And Watson, put on the shotgun, my daughters and black son. Foundation of knowledge, Black Africa, Lalibela and Axel. I'm black and I'm proud to be black, shout it out loud. You mean that in any crowd, reveal that, believe that. Billion together, that's a billion black.
Because that is a school.
Is this a, also
It's a school, yeah.
It's a very big school.
Yeah, nice. Yeah.
These are amazing. On a quiet side also.
285?
Yes.
If you have 4 sisters, you split that in a 4. You know what I mean? If you have 4 family members, you split that in a 4. Yeah, this is not the first. This is not the first. Yeah, this is the amenity floor. Them go deep, way down. Them go way down the family, as you can see. Way down, them go way down. You know what I mean?
So you pay 20% of the price now.
Yes, and then the balance you can be paying monthly, quarterly, or every 6 months. You just tell us what works for you.
Okay.
Yes.
And this is a
Also
prime.
have a client for you.
This is a prime area.
Very prime. Yeah, you're going to see my sister. I will show you.
Very prime area.
28.
Very quiet area also. This road also is not a busy road because it's not main road. The main road is the other side.
On the other side, okay.
Let's say if you're coming from the airport, this side is very easy to access the.
For real?
Come straight down. That's where we come down yesterday, my sister.
15 minutes.
15 minutes, yeah.
If also you want to go to the airport, also again the same. Very
The
easy.
same.
Same. No traffic.
285 you said, right? For 4 bedroom.